Understanding concrete grades is crucial for any construction project. Let's break it down. Concrete is classified by grades such as M20, M25, and M30. M stands for mix, and the number represents the compressive strength in megapascals (MPa) at 28 days. Now let's talk about typical mix ratios. For M20, use 1 part cement, 1.5 parts sand, and 3 parts aggregate. For M25, the ratio is 1 part cement, 1 part sand, and 2 parts aggregate. And for M30, it's 1 part cement, 0.75 parts sand, and 1.5 parts aggregate. Next, let's calculate the total volume of ingredients. For any mix, the total volume should sum to 1 cubic meter. For M20, the total parts are 5.5 comma, so the volume of cement is 0.1818 cubic meters. For M25, the total parts are 4, making the volume of cement 0.25 cubic meters. For M30, the total parts are 3.25, so the volume of cement is 0.3077 cubic meters. To convert volume to weight, multiply by the density of cement, which is about 1440 kg per meter cubed. For M20, that's 261.09 kg. For M25, it's 360 kg, and for M30, it's 442.08 kg. Finally, calculate the number of bags. Standard cement bags weigh 50 kg. For M20, you'll need approximately 6 bags, for M25, about 7 bags, and for M30, around 9 bags. Remember, adjustments may be needed based on local materials and project requirements. Always consult relevant codes and guidelines for precise mix designs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick construction tips.